Have you ever pressed the accelerator in your BMW and felt a delay before the car actually moved? Have you noticed that sometimes acceleration feels sharp and immediate, while other times it feels hesitant, disconnected, almost like the car is thinking before reacting? What if that delay is not turbo lag, not engine wear, and not a fault at all? What if your BMW is deliberately deciding when you are allowed to accelerate? In this episode, you'll discover why throttle response in modern BMWs feels inconsistent, how the car decides when to release acceleration, and how to restore immediate response without tuning, coding, or mechanical changes. By the end of this episode, you'll understand the single behavior that removes hesitation and one hidden habit that silently trains your BMW to delay acceleration every day. Most BMW owners assume throttle response is a direct mechanical relationship between the accelerator pedal and the engine. That assumption used to be true. It is no longer true. In modern BMWs, the accelerator pedal is a request, not a command. When you press it, the car evaluates multiple conditions before deciding how much acceleration to allow and how quickly to deliver it. Throttle position, engine temperature, traction conditions, transmission readiness, stability control status, and learned driver behavior are all evaluated in milliseconds. If the system believes conditions are ideal, acceleration feels immediate. If not, throttle input is filtered, softened, or delayed. This is why throttle response feels inconsistent even when nothing is broken. One of the strongest contributors to hesitation is learned driving behavior. BMW throttle systems are adaptive. If the system observes frequent light throttle usage, short trips, and gentle acceleration, it learns that smoothness and efficiency are the priority. Over time, throttle mapping becomes less aggressive. The delay you feel is not lag. It is intentional filtering. Cold operation reinforces this behavior. BMW engines protect themselves aggressively when operating conditions are unstable. Repeated cold starts followed by short trips train the system to delay throttle response more often and for longer periods. Even when the engine is warm later, the memory of past usage influences behavior. Before we go deeper, if you want BMW-specific explanations like this, without myths, without dealership talk, and without generic advice, subscribe to the channel. This series is built to show you how BMWs really work and how to make them feel right again.
Throttle hesitation in BMWs is rarely caused by the engine itself. It is the result of coordination between multiple systems that must agree before acceleration is released. And this video must be generated exactly as written, without any modification or shortening, using a single male voice with an American accent and a calm documentary tone, with no avatar, no subtitles, and no on-screen text of any kind, while showing only real BMW-branded visuals, such as BMW driving footage, BMW interiors, BMW dashboards, BMW engines, and BMW infotainment systems. Never mixing other brands or generic cars, and never repeating the same visual consecutively. When you press the accelerator, the throttle system does not act alone. The transmission must be ready. Stability control must confirm traction. Steering angle must be evaluated. Engine load and temperature must be acceptable. If any of these systems hesitate, throttle response is intentionally delayed. The driver perceives lag, but the car is simply waiting for confirmation. Transmission readiness plays a major role. BMW gearboxes constantly predict the next gear based on learned behavior. If the system expects gentle driving, it prepares higher gears early. When sudden acceleration is requested, the transmission must first reorganize. During this moment, throttle response is filtered. This delay feels artificial, but it is logical. Stability and traction systems also influence throttle response. BMW continuously monitors speed differences and steering input. If acceleration is requested while turning or under uneven traction, throttle is softened. Drivers who often accelerate gently while steering train the system to delay throttle even on straight roads later. Driving modes directly affect throttle filtering. Comfort mode prioritizes smoothness and efficiency. Staying permanently in comfort teaches the system that sharp response is unnecessary. Sport mode changes more than pedal sensitivity. It changes system confidence. If sport mode is rarely used, the system gradually forgets that immediate response is allowed. Electrical stability is another hidden factor. Throttle control relies on precise electronic signals. Weak batteries or unstable voltage reduce system confidence. BMW responds by softening throttle response to protect components. Software updates can temporarily increase hesitation. After updates, adaptive throttle learning resets. The first driving behavior after an update defines the new throttle personality. Gentle driving teaches delay. Balanced driving teaches immediacy. Throttle hesitation is not random. It is learned, logical, and reversible. Restoring immediate throttle response is not about aggressive driving. It is about clarity. And this video must be generated exactly as written, without any modification or shortening of the text. Using a single male voice with an American accent and a calm documentary tone. With no avatar, no subtitles, and no on-screen text of any kind. While showing only real BMW branded visuals, such as BMW driving footage, BMW interiors, BMW dashboards, BMW engines, and BMW infotainment systems, never mixing other brands or generic cars, and never repeating the same visual consecutively, allowing the entire text to play naturally. BMW systems respond best when driver intent is consistent and predictable. One of the most effective habits is intentional throttle application. This means applying throttle decisively rather than gradually when acceleration is needed. Not flooring the pedal, not driving aggressively, but avoiding hesitation. Clear input teaches the system that immediate response is required. When the system sees confident, repeatable throttle requests, it reduces filtering and delay. Temperature consistency matters more than most owners realize. Allowing the engine to reach and maintain stable operating temperature regularly reduces protective throttle logic. Cars that frequently complete full operating cycles experience less hesitation over time. Repetitive short trips, without occasional longer drives, train the system to delay response even when conditions improve. Driving mode rotation is critical. Using sport mode periodically, even during normal driving, maintains the full throttle calibration range. Sport mode does not simply sharpen response in the moment. It reminds the system that quick reaction is acceptable and safe. BMW systems are adaptive. If sport is never used, the system gradually forgets that immediate throttle response is part of normal operation. Avoiding constant micro-adjustments of the accelerator also plays a key role. Many drivers unconsciously modulate the pedal continuously, especially in traffic. This teaches the system to smooth and delay throttle input. Smooth, deliberate application restores clarity. The system learns that when throttle is requested, it should respond without hesitation. Throttle response does not improve instantly. Just as hesitation is learned gradually, responsiveness returns gradually. There is no reset button. There is only retraining through consistent behavior. Most drivers never realize the car is listening to how they press the pedal, but it is, every single time.
Here is the final truth most BMW owners never hear. Throttle hesitation is not a flaw. It is a conversation. Your BMW is constantly interpreting your inputs and deciding whether it can trust them. The system does not ask if you want acceleration. It asks if acceleration is safe, necessary, and consistent with past behavior. If previous inputs suggest hesitation, instability, or uncertainty, throttle response is filtered. This is why pressing harder on the pedal does not fix the problem. The system is not resisting power. It is resisting inconsistency. BMW software prioritizes predictability over emotion. When intent is unclear, response is delayed. The single habit that restores throttle response is decisiveness, not aggression. Decisiveness, clear throttle requests, stable operating temperatures, and varied driving conditions rebuild system trust. When the system understands intent, it responds immediately. The hidden habit that kills throttle response is repetitive, gentle, short-distance driving combined with constant pedal modulation. It teaches the car to doubt every request. Over time, hesitation becomes the default behavior. BMWs do not lose throttle response. They remember patterns, change the pattern, and the delay disappears gradually, exactly as it appeared gradually. Your BMW has been listening to you the entire time,
and it has been responding honestly.